Good morning. Before we go and get some ziplining done, did 200 push-ups, 10 minutes of abs. Now we're at Nomada, getting some empanadas, not Costa Rican, Argentinian. Chocolate again, it was so good last time. Enjoy some breakfast, fill the stomach up, and let's go enjoy ziplining. There you go. Chocolate, empanadas, steak, chicken. Happy boy. Let's try hot chocolate. Very rich, very rich. Empanadas. Look at that. Some of this. So it's not steak, it's beef. Hot, fresh, delicious. I used to have empanadas for lunch at work when I worked in San Francisco. It's been a long time. This is really good. You can taste this fresh, the outer coating. Smooth but crunchy. Hot. Time to enjoy and then ziplining. Here we go, baby. Let's get it. Ziplining, canopy bridges. Time for an adventure. Can you tell me if this is recording? Do you see members moving?
I see myself, so yes.
Perfect.
You will see a very weird face.
But you see,
you
see a red light?
I do see a red light.
Perfecto.
Bend your knees, lean back. Just like that. Yes. When you see this, you open like.
Perfect.
One moment.
Enjoy.
Woohoo!
And he hits the landing.
Hands on the pulley. Thank you very much. Wait a second. Tiene el alfa. You ready, buddy?
Good.
Yes.
At the top of the cloud forest, folks, and now we go all the way back down. Let's get it. Woo!
Please, spread your legs at the end.
Have fun! Woo!
When you are stopped, you can try stand up.
Say it?
When you are stopped, you can try stand up.
Okay.
Yeah, don't do it before because you can hit here.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Hopefully that view comes out really good, folks. That is sick! That is so sick. Let's go. This is why I came here, for an adventure. Okay.
Enjoy.
Give me a push. On the left. We made it!
You made it. Good job.
Gracias, amigo.
Stand up, please. Hold the wire. Excelente. Muy bien. Good. Let's stand up. Hold the cable, bro. Hold the cable.
On the way.
Stand up. I think your camera is still off.
Oh no, it's on. It goes black when it's
okay.
unlocked for a while. I appreciate it.
Okay. This is yours?
Thank you.
Oh.
But not the GoPro not doesn't make a little red line or not?
No, it's on. If I show you?
Okay. Okay. That is because normally I watch on the GoPros.
Yeah. Bye! Yeah. Oh no. Really? On the way. Lean back. Y'all, that was so much fun, the zip lining all the way up in the clouds, all the way back down here. I was yelling, hoopling, hollering, the adventure I wanted. Now it's time for part 2, where we go on the bridges above the canopies. If you're out here, Treetopia, go zip lining, it's worth it. So here is the skywalk entrance. Time to do this. You can see here we got some bridges. Let's go have some fun. Now we're doing the hike more in the rainforest. Yesterday was the preserve, drier, you can see, wet baby. Gonna be more slick on the ground. Have to deal with some terrain. You got the zip line ahead. See if we can get some sick drones. First bridge right here. Thing be bouncing, 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 bouncing. Woo! Wow. Look down below, folks. think we gotta try to drone this. Let's see what happens. This is sick. I don't know where this part's coming in the video, if it's after montage or whatever, but I just droned on top of the bridge. I've been thinking about this for months, years, seeing this type of stuff. And I'm gonna show you guys a mistake. Droning on the bridge, windy, my drone hit a pole, here you go. Thankfully it was on the edge, did not fall down. That would have been bye-bye droney. But I got my favorite drone video of all time. Rocket straight up, canopy trees on the bridge. Whoo! Woo! Let's go. This is why I came here. You can see y'all, I'm so stoked. Just enjoying the nature, enjoying the hike, getting away from civilization. Yes, I'm using some technology, but I'm living life in the moment, enjoying an adventure. Zip lining all this. My soul's filled. Drone life, baby. This is so tranquil, quiet, beautiful. Again, it's different. This is the rainforest versus the other day I was down and it was more dry. Yes, you're still in the rainforest, but not as high altitude. So you have different leaves and different brush and everything in between that grows here. This is sick. This bridge might be the craziest of all. Literally, you're going into the cloud, can't see anything whatsoever. Wild, folks. Can't even see the other side. Treetopia, I highly recommend to anybody. Ziplining, the tree canopy bridges was so fun. Sitting out here on their deck, having some green tea, relaxing, looking at my photos and videos. Can't wait to edit this video. It's gonna be so good. That's all I wanted to do today. It's Friday. Tomorrow I go to a new spot, the Hot Springs Volcano area, about 2.5 hour, 3-hour drive. So tonight, just get a dinner, relax. I'm gonna leave early in the morning so I can get there and have a full day and a half because I'm there for the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. And then Monday, I go to Tamarindo for the beach. So this may be it for today. Maybe I'll show you some food, I'm not sure, but folks, soul changing, life changing to be up here in nature, adventure, so much fun. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Hopefully you're loving this video.